Hi, it's Holly from What a Girl Wants. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve the sexy boho beach style as seen on Laura Bingle. This is last week's New Weekly magazine. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is. So what you need is a pair of GHDs, just the normal size, tail comb, a butterfly clip and some hairspray. So starting at the sides is always easiest. So taking a section to about this much hair, so quite a large section, and brushing through. Now take the hair and twist it around your finger. So it looks like that. Take your GHD and hold it, moving it around so all the bits get done. And it's good if their tail's hanging out like that. Okay, let it go. So another quite a large section. Around, leaving that end out. And taking GHD. Just letting it fall down. Okay, so next section. So twisting it back off the face. And out. Now I'm just going to show you one side. With the fringe, make the loop a little bit bigger than the ones on the sides. And hold it on for a little bit less time because you don't want this to be tight.